I thought it'd be fun. I'm fucking stupid. I honestly thought this road would be maybe not plowed, but plowed 2 inches ago, not 6. We're just gonna thump back to the house, and when we crash, we will embrace it. Oh my god, I can't see. Oh, I can't. Visibility is like 10 feet now. I can't see it, baby. Downhill's much easier, that's for sure. Got gravity, and the snow actually helped me keep upright. People are gonna be like, "What the fuck is that? What the hell came through here?" They would have never guessed it was a fucking 30-year-old dirt bike. Who wants to go out to Wiley? See what that road looks like. Probably the same exact shit. Oh my god, I can't see. That's why I love thumpers. This is a 2-stroke, it'd be so fun. And then just thump at 2,000, 0 miles an hour. You don't have to flip the clutch and sit there and spin. That would be a 2-stroke right now. My blast would be like fucking 4th gear pinned doing 12, which would be nicer than nothing, but you know, which is this, but let's see. Thought maybe I'll go up to that power line and see what they look like too. I can't even go 3 miles here. Howdy! How are ya? He waved. I gotta wave. Oh my god, that's a snowbank. Good thing about fall is when she shorter, it's in color. I can't see anything through this visor. Like, it's either get my eyes pelted with snow and can't see, or my visor down and can't see. I lean on the back tire, I got a little bit of traction. But then my front end wants to dick around. How long is this video? It feels like 3 hours. Oh my god. This video finally ends. Even when I get back, we run out of. This is certainly the biggest storm we've had in 3 years. But we've had 3 light winters. Oh my god, I'm almost tempted for second gear. But I know that's crazy talk. Oh, there we go. Rev Limiter, thumbs up and subscribe for Rev Limiter. Thank you. Oh, fail. Right, left. That's what the rear wheel's doing. Spinning left, spinning right, spinning left. Trying my best to keep it straight. Oh, we're almost to my driveway. Right there. Oh my god, I literally plowed an hour ago. I got done plowing like 30 minutes ago. There's literally 3 inches on that. And ice. We're trying. Yeah. Takes so much energy. Holy shit. The XT that can. Just you want to learn throttle control, riding 20 inches of snow. Right into the bank though. We should just leave you here. Thumpity thump thump. Oh shit, we're almost there. Neutral. Come on. Holy shit. We're almost there. Come on. Holy shit. Oh my god. Don't just listen to this audio. It can sound really bad. Turn down the volume. Oh.